Welcome to Riko's reading room. Today I will read an interesting book called My Lucky Birthday. Enjoy! My Lucky Birthday by Keiko Kasza. Man, am I awesome! Look at these teeth, said the alligator owl. Today is my birthday and these teeth are ready for a special treat. Maybe a chicken, or better yet, a piglet. Suddenly there was a knock at the door. Hey Freddy, said a voice outside. Open up, it's my birthday. Are you coming to the party? What? Thought all. Who's Freddy? And who has the same birthday as me? When all opened the door, the dinner of his dreams was standing right in front of him. Oh no! Wrong house! Screamed the piglet. Oh yes! Cried all. What a perfect birthday dinner you'll make! Please let me go! The piglet begged. Today may be your birthday, but it's mine too. My friends are coming to celebrate. Don't worry, said all. I'll do enough celebrating for both of us. As all prepared to cook him, the piglet spoke up. Mr. All, sighed the piglet, I know it's none of my business, but what? Said all. Well, what's a birthday without a cake? The piglet asked. An awesome guy like you deserves a big birthday cake. Thought all. He's right, I am awesome. I do deserve a cake. I know just how to make one, said the piglet. Mix eggs, butter, sugar, and flour. Now bake it in the oven and put on the frosting just so. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Good job, Mr. All, said the piglet. But what? Said all. Well, what's a birthday without decorations? The piglet asked. An awesome guy like you deserves fancy decorations. Thought Owl. He's right. I am awesome. I do deserve decorations. I know just how to decorate, said the piglet. Blow up those balloons, put up the streamers, and write happy birthday just so. Make sure you spell it right. Wow, good job, Mr. Owl, said the piglet. But no more buts! All shouted. Look, I've got all I need for a great birthday. There's just one more thing, said the piglet. An awesome guy like you shouldn't celebrate alone. Shall I ask my friends to come over? All's brain was working fast. Oh my gosh, he thought. I could have a whole house full of piglets. I could eat for a month, maybe a year. This is my luckiest birthday ever. You know what, Piglet? You're right again, said All slyly. An awesome guy like me shouldn't celebrate alone. Go ahead and make some phone calls. Man, is this Piglet dumb or what? Thought All. As soon as the piglet began to call his friends, All got busy. He collected more potato sacks for capturing them, more ropes for tying them up, more pots and pans for cooking them. At last, everything was ready. All he had to do was wait. When All heard a knock, he was overjoyed. It's open, he shouted happily. Come on in. When the door opened, All gasped. There stood a fierce rhino, a heavyweight hippo, a nasty-looking wild boar, and the biggest gorilla he had ever seen. All was terrified. He flew out the back door, but the piglet squealed, Yay, you're here! We got your invitation, Piglet, his friends cheered. Happy birthday! Piglet and his friends partied all afternoon. They had a potato sack race. They jumped rope. They had a parade. And then he ate. A delicious cake, fancy decorations, and what fun party games. The friends all said, "I love my birthday gift," said the piglet. "I think I'll call him Little Owl." When the party was over, the happy gang headed for home. Poor Mr. Owl, thought the piglet. He missed all the fun. When Alligator Owl got home, he found the house all cleaned up except for one thing. The piglet's invitation was still lying on the floor. It read, "Friends, come to my birthday party. Time, Sunday afternoon. Wait for my call. Place, Owl's house. From Piglet." "Ugh," Owl groaned. He didn't have the luckiest birthday after all. But the piglet did, the luckiest ever. "Let's see," he thought as he cuddled with Little Owl. "Who shall I visit next?" The end. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you soon.